Online book renewal. Welcome to renewing your books online. This tutorial will show you how to set up your account password and then renew your books online. About navigating this tutorial. An interactive table of contents appears at the beginning of this tutorial. Click on the segment title you wish to view. The table of contents is accessible at any time. Place your mouse pointer on the bottom edge of the screen to see the table of contents. Setting and resetting your password. To begin, go to the library's homepage at http://www.ctcd.edu/academics/library. On the library's homepage, click on the Catalog button located at the left side of the screen. If this is your first time to renew your books online, you will need to create a password. To do this, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of this page. You will follow the same process if you wish to reset your password. To begin the process, click on Set Reset Password. Enter your full 14-digit CTC ID number. You will find your number on the front of your CTC ID card below the barcode. Click on Request New Password. Go to your CTC Eagle Mail account. Note, do not use Blackboard for this part of the process. You should receive this message. Click on the link provided to continue. In the username box, enter your full 14-digit CTC ID number. Next, type in and confirm your new password. Your password must be 9 characters in length. You can use letters, numbers, or symbols in your password. Click on Change Password to continue. A useful tip: write down your password for future reference. Congratulations! Your new password has been successfully created. Close this window and return to the library's web page. Renewing books online. To begin, go to the library's homepage at http://www.ctcd.edu/academics/library. Enter the library's catalog by clicking on the Catalog button. On the catalog's search page, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. In the username box, enter your full 14-digit CTC ID number. In the password box, enter your password. Click on the Sign In button to continue. Once you are logged in, you should see your name in the top right corner of the catalog search page. Click on your name for the menu, then click on My Account. You are now in your library account. Click on the Renew button to renew your book. Your book is now renewed. You will note the due date has been extended. Occasionally, books cannot be renewed online. If this should happen, a message will appear informing you of the failure to renew. You will need to return the book to the library. To exit your account, click on your name and then Sign Out, and you are done.